clamps, they're a versatile tool that people use for all sorts of things. One American inventor even used them to build a mini house and attach it to his bicycle for a cross-country adventure. But if you're not ready for a tiny home on wheels, you might still want to check out this cordless clamp tightener. With the ability to handle up to 400 users on a single charge, a spare battery, and a fatigue-reducing handle, this tool is a great addition to any toolbox. The manufacturer claims that it's easy and intuitive to use, which might help justify its hefty $3,000 price tag. Plus, with a maximum force of 952 kilograms, you'll have all the clamping power you need for even the toughest jobs. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to make holes in your garden but don't have a screw conveyor on hand? Look no further than this tool. With a width of just 15 centimeters, it's perfect for all your flower poles and other needs. The reinforced steel blades make penetrating the soil a breeze, while the ergonomic handles reduce fatigue and make digging more efficient. At just 5.6 kilograms and 145 centimeters long, it's easy to maneuver and use. Plus, it's so great that the person in the video doesn't even wear gloves. For just $60, you can feel like an excavator in your own backyard. Say goodbye to the hassle of digging by hand and hello to the convenience of this handy tool. If you're looking for a classic solution for your terrace or facade, look no further than ERS. This timeless option has been around since the 80s in the USA, and remains a popular choice today for decking boards and more. But working with ERS can come with its own set of challenges. That's where this installation tool comes in, solving multiple problems at once. Firstly, it ensures even spacing between the boards. Secondly, it allows for the fasteners to be installed at the optimum angle, pressing the boards tightly against the joists. And thirdly, it comes with special bits to make the job even more convenient. Building with ERS has never been easier, you'll pick up the pace in no time. The seller claims it'll set you back a reasonable $110. Have you ever bought a tool that your partner didn't approve of? Instead of causing a rift, why not turn your drill into a gardening tool with this affordable attachment? For just $100, you can transform your drill into a cultivator that's compatible with most cordless models. To ensure the best results, make sure your drill has a torque of 34 Newton meters or more and a power of at least 18 watts. This attachment weighs only 3.2 kilograms and has a working width of up to 20 centimeters, with an adjustable depth of 14 centimeters. Plus, you can customize the length to either 130 centimeters or 48 centimeters. The attachment is made of a durable combination of plastic, aluminum, and steel. Unfortunately, the drill is not included, but the price is reasonable for such a versatile tool. So, upgrade your gardening game and save your relationship with this nifty drill attachment. Introducing the ultimate tool for electrical tape enthusiasts, a compact taping machine that is compatible with a wide range of tape widths. From 9 to 19 millimeters, and even an optional 25 millimeter tape size, this machine can handle it all. With a speedy 380 RPM, you can get your work done quickly and even record cool videos for social media. Weighing in at only 3 kilograms, this machine is versatile and easy to use straight out of the box. It's perfect for standalone use or as part of various assembly lines. Plus, its design allows for the wire or harness to be held with both hands, eliminating wrinkles and ensuring a smooth application. Interested in the price? It's available upon request. No tech roundup is complete without featuring the latest and greatest innovation. And we've got just the thing, an amazing technology that is setting new standards in the world of abrasive vacuum blasting. In fact, it's being touted as one of the most ingenious discoveries in the last decade. This groundbreaking technology makes dust-free cleaning of pipes between 5 to 20 centimeters in diameter effortless, as claimed by its creators. The secret lies in the use of aluminum oxide, which is efficient even after multiple uses, allowing for speedy work without compromising quality. The mastermind behind this game-changing technology is none other than the Norwegian company, PiCo, experts in the field of pipes. While their product is available on request, the pricing remains a mystery. Perhaps to avoid scaring away potential customers? Regardless, we can't wait to see what other innovations this company has up their sleeves. Moving heavy building materials can be a daunting task, especially with the number of new constructions popping up everywhere. A typical 5 square meter laminated chipboard, for instance, weighs around 58 kilograms, not the easiest to move around. But fear not, as large companies have come up with simple yet effective tools to make this task a lot less burdensome. Take the Dewalt dolly, for example. It may not be flashy, but it gets the job done. With a frame, 2 12-inch wheels, and carrying handles, this dolly allows you to carry loads of up to 544 kilograms with just one hand. Its fixation mechanism relies on the weight of the material being carried, be it laminated chipboard, plasterboard, or anything else. The anti-slip surface also makes it safe to use. For just $230, this dolly is a must-have for anyone in the construction industry. So why break your back when you can work smarter, not harder? When it comes to renovations, removing old materials can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But with this 38cm demolition tool, you can quickly take down anything in your way. The patented asymmetrical handle and lightweight 1.1 kilogram design make for a faster and easier work process. With 3 tools in one, a hammer, pry bar, and nail puller, you'll have everything you need to tackle any demolition job. With the housing market thriving, there are plenty of buyers out there looking for affordable renovation tools. And at only $36, this useful tool won't break the bank. Say goodbye to hours of manual labor and hello to a more efficient renovation process with this demolition tool. DIY enthusiasts can benefit from this amazing drywall sander from Tolsen Tools. With over 1 billion tools sold every year in distributors in more than 150 countries, this Chinese company has become a household name in the tool industry. Their product range is updated every month, and we're excited to showcase this drywall sander. Priced at $266, it comes equipped with a telescopic handle, LED light, 6 sanding discs, and a dust bag. With an idle speed of up to 2,100 per minute and a sole plus diameter of 225 millimeters, this sander is perfect for both walls and ceilings. So, whether you're a construction worker or a DIY enthusiast, Tolsen Tools Drywall Sander is a must-have for your toolkit. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.